So this is called Real Pizza. Yeah, I'll just check out their menus here. $2.99 for 2 Hawaiian. This is a combo meal. Real's Pizza. They have menu? Do you have menu?
I thought they was free.
Ah, so this is what they have. They have chicken, sandwiches, and pasta, and then pizza. Oh, now we're good. All right, wonderful. Yeah. So you're director, Director Chito, Director Kostavu, Director Chito. What movie are we going to make now?
Daan nga sa una ba?
What is that?
Nila na ako. Ang pangalan pepperozin. Tapos na ako, wala ko ganahe kay bago ko.
So you just mix it with water?
Yeah.
Even with ice?
Yes, it's supposed to be.
Yeah, like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Feels like a magnet, moves won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna.
Because of the servings?
Because the consistency of the food is very light.
So it's just for babies.
What you can do, it's not actually palatable, but it works. You can do the diet that I have. Shredded carrot, shredded, how do you call this now? Cucumber. Tapos shredded in your case, because you're starting, you could even have a shredded kamote. And then so I put mayonnaise, and I put garlic, and I put this mustard, and then I mix them like a salad, and I eat it, and I consume it before 6 o'clock.
So I suppose the last food item you mentioned, mayonnaise. I suppose you're
2
controlling.
tablespoons is okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Because mayonnaise is eggs, right? Eggs or eggs is.
Because strictly speaking, it's just albumin. It's just.
No, eggs is cholesterol. I thought they said eggs is cholesterol. Someone in YouTube said eggs are cholesterol or is cholesterol.
Good cholesterol.
No, it's just bad. I'll send you a video of that guy.
It's bad?
Yeah. Remember when it came out of the Time magazine, when the cholesterol thing was new? When I was in the elementary, I think, or high school, and they said eggs are cholesterol. And later on years, no, eggs is good, it's good cholesterol. But now it came back again.
Yeah.
Eggs are cholesterol.
They have a
is
lot
bad.
of conflicting things.
Yeah.
Yeah, like butter. Butter is supposed to, real butter is good.
And there are also videos now talking about coffee that it's really bad. No matter what they say about coffee, it's bad for your
Yes.
sleep. It will mess up
Yeah.
your.
When in fact, coffee, now the advantage of coffee, according to YouTube authority, is that okay, if you take coffee, it does not bring down the sugar, but it prevents fluctuation, which is still good. Okay, what the diabetic really is in danger of is the upswing of, because this is the one that destroys the organ.
So you're saying even if it has bad side, but it has more good side. Coffee.
Yeah, because pasta compared to rice has more fibers. No. Because rice, I tried it really. Even if I'm sick, the moment I take my blood sugar after eating,
Because food is alright. By the way, this is how chicken look like. Oh,
look, interesting.
this is spiced chicken, and this is garlic bread. This is their own version of garlic bread.